Hi guys, today we are just going to talk about the VLOOKUP function. So from this, I'm just going to give you the basic idea how to do the VLOOKUP function. So today I'm just going to explain from the same sheet if you have two databases, how you are going to match those exact data throughout this database. In here I have shown you like two tables. So one table contains like data, the received quantity and the issued quantity, like as we discussed earlier. So if we are maintaining the same format, let's say the received quantity and the issued quantity in the same format, so we are just going to plan how to get this data, this exact data, into this Excel sheet. Sorry, into this chart. So in here. We have like some of the unique products that we have mentioned over here. And in the database, you can see some of the different items are already inserted into this table. So I'm just going to start the function here. So I just need to get like potatoes. How many potatoes that we have received? So I'm just going to insert the function here. We look up, then open bracket. And what is the value that you are going to look into? So this will be your lookup value. Then comma. So from the database, you are just going to take the table array means from the starting. It means the product. So we are just going to, this is our primary section. So we are just uh, going to see where the product is. Then from the product itself, we are just going to select the received quantity. Then you put a comma. Then from the product column, in which column you have the exact data that you need. So it means in here, the second column you just need to select. So you'll put 2, then put a comma, then you need the exact value. The exact value, how many potatoes that you have received. Then you put 0 in here and you close the brackets. Then when you press enter, you can see you have received 50 potatoes. It means 50 kilos, we say. So received quantity is 50. Then I will show you the same formula for the issuances. Equal VLOOKUP, open bracket, product, comma. You will select the data set from the product through to the issues. So that will be column 3, comma 3, the exact value, comma 0. Then you will close the bracket from here. Then you have to copy these cells, Control C. Then you can paste it, Control V. Here you can see the exact amount of data. Let's say from potato you got 50 and issuances 20. Let's say leaks 70 kilos you have received and 25 kilos you have issued. Then finally I will get the grand total of those equal sum function that you have learned earlier. Then the range, you close the bracket. Same function you will paste it in here. So today this is a short video I have done for you to do the Excel function in a basic format. Thank you very much.